Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss some of the more questions in sociology optional, because practicing more and more number of questions will definitely help you to get good marks in the mains examination. Now, the questions for the today's discussion is, what is exclusion and what are the various types of exclusion? Exclusion refers to, if we see in the sociological aspect, the individual, due to some circumstances, unable to participate in the economic development of his own being. Exclusion refers to that the individual is being deprived of the basic opportunities. As we all know that in the Constitution, the articles governs that each and every individual has a right of opportunity so that he or she can make his career and become successful. But in terms of the sociological perspective, there are some of the reasons that create hindrance in the development of an individual. And due to these factors, the individuals are unable to do the things in a right properly manner that he or she is become capable of. So exclusion is all about the specific circumstances or the situation that deprive the individuals or creating hindrance to the individual for the economic development and the growth that he or she wants to achieve. Now we discuss the various types of exclusion, that how it creates hindrance in the development of an individual. For example, first is the economic exclusion. What the economic exclusion is all about? As we all know, in today's scenario, number of the peoples are being living below poverty and they have a very limited amount of means for the basic survival. If an individual wants to do something but incapable of the economic resources for doing or sustaining that thing, this type of the exclusion is called as a economic inclusion. Second is all about the social inclusion. As we all know that in a society is a web of relationship between the different peoples and having a common interaction and a objective that they share their needs each other and the society moves on. But there are certain hindrance that society provided, is that on the basis of race, caste, creed, gender, it creates hindrance to the individual for his or her economic participation in the development. So this is all about the social inclusion. Another exclusion is all about the political exclusion. As we all know that India, the concept of the democracy is there, but still maximum of the people are unable to participate in the political development of a nation. So this is all about the political exclusion. Here are these exclusion which create hindrance in the development of a people or some circumstances that create hindrance for him to succeed. So this is all about the exclusion and what are the various exclusion that creates an impact. Thank you all.